Hey there, we're on our boat today. Just got down here.
Yep.
And what are we doing? Yeah, no, so we were just talking, watching over episodes, working on episode 2, and we just want to change up since we're new to YouTube and this is a whole learning curve for us. We're just going to change things up, throw different things at it. So episode 2 is going to look a lot like episode 1. We will be wrapping up the helm station as far as the priming, painting. We've got some different ideas, some new ideas for upcoming episodes. Totally different formatting style, a lot more personable, you know, just that sort of thing. So,
and just to bring you up to date, we're already working on the projects inside the salon, so we're already varnishing and staining, so we haven't showed you yet on the video. So we just have like old videos, we like not old videos, but the work we did on the helm station we did about months ago, right?
yeah, so in YouTube land, if you're not familiar, which probably most people are, is typically when you're living your content versus making your content is backlogged. So what's actually popping on YouTube is a month or so ago versus what you're doing today. So like she said, today we are actually down on the boat and we're varnishing the salon. But you haven't seen any part of the salon project yet. That's a huge project, and we just wanted to kind of roll into YouTube a little easier, a little learning. You know, there's a lot to learn with YouTube. It's not just do a video and throw it up. I mean, we're not vloggers. We're not just cameras following us around no matter what we're doing. That's for sure.
Well, Carl, I mean, it's easier for him to be in the camera and based on his work experience, but I can't really talk and do anything, and if I see a camera pointing at me, so
somebody gets very nervous in front of the camera, which is fine. I mean, it's but so this episode you're going to see roll tipping. The last episode covered sanding, priming, filling, that sort of thing, getting it all prepped and ready to go for paint.
He actually did a good job.
Then yeah, thanks. Yeah, if you have any comments, leave them below. Appreciate it.
We would love your comments.
Like and subscribe.
If you would like to say something or have any suggestions, what would you like to see? We're happy to put it out for you. So this is it.
Yeah, that's it. We appreciate those that are subscribed and following our channel. We definitely appreciate all the likes we're getting. It's fun. We're having fun with it. Since we changed our filming formatting, like I said, you're gonna see in preceding episodes, we're actually having a lot more fun with it. It seemed to be too business-like, and I'm like, it's not a business. It's, you know, this is just us. We're living our content. We're just, yeah, we're down on the boat. We're working on it. We're doing projects. So we're gonna show you that. So thanks again. Appreciate it, and stick around.
Bye.
Bye. Hey there, last time we were on, you got to see us remove all the hardware, mix up some filler and fiberglass resin filler, all the holes that the old hardware left behind. And the next thing I did was went ahead and sanded down all those areas that we patched up. And then I moved into priming. I choose to hand sand when I do the first sanding because it tends to slow me down a bit, lets me see exactly what I'm working with. If I'm using a machine, I'm going to be trying to go much quicker. So as you can see, I'm wiping down with spirits. This is going to clean the surface from any lint or debris or any oils I might have left from my skin by touching it. So for this project, I chose Interlux Brightside. Here's a great example of roll tipping. As you can see, when I roll on the paint, it bubbles up. And I'm going to take my brush and very lightly, applying no pressure, pass back over the paint I just rolled. Now the key and the trick that I have found not that it's the best way or the only way to do it, is to go from an edge and work my way inward. If I do a middle pass, like you'll see here, I start from the unpainted surface into the painted surface, and then I lift my brush up and off of the surface as it meets the paint. Now you will notice some orange pill, and that's from two things. That's from the primer not being sanded down enough, and that's also from the 40-year-old fiberglass that I'm doing, which was hand laid up. As you can see, it's just a repeat process. Roll, tip, roll, tip. This is the first coat of several coats, and I will actually sand between coats to get a smoother finish. Similar application as if you were varnishing.